Luke Frahn's Rat Dissection. Gonna go ahead and get started with a cut from the throat to the anus, through the skin.
I don't want to be videotaping all this, do you?
It's fine.
Hey, Zach, you know what that's called right there? Plug dissection.
It's a good trick.
You should see it on humans. It's really cool. They scream a lot.
It's in bad taste.
Yes. That's why we invented anesthesia.
It's Is that how you do it on a human?
It is.
It's just you have to separate it. You have to break that tissue in between them.
Fascia, this one.
Yeah,
That's the
fascia.
best way.
That's what it's called. Yeah.
It's the best way to do it without, like, if you just start cutting through it, you'll cut nerves and arteries and stuff. When you do this, nerves are big enough and stuff, and tough enough that you don't bust
Just
them.
bumps them down,
Right,
bumps them around.
You just get a nice separation of the tissues when you do that.
There's the diaphragm. Yep.
You're into gut sack, baby.
No, I'm not into the guts.
Well,
I
you're
didn't
just
pop it.
You're outside.
I'm on
the
top
gut
of it.
It's called perineum.
I will not cut into it yet. Very nice. Open her right up.
She needed to work on her core a little bit.
Yeah, she does not have very strong abdominals.
Very thin core.
Mm-hmm.
She's probably a mama rat times 3 or so.
Ugh. More rats.
And you can do blunt dissection with your fingers, just like that. It's really crazy when you do blunt dissection with your finger and you actually tear an artery. You feel a pump right on you. You're like, oh, crap. All right, here's
Go ahead
that.
and cut that. Almost there.
Cut up your armpits there. Up in the armpits so you can flop that skin open right there. What is that?
Her gills. What are they doing to these rats?
That's her pec. Look at the pec.
Yeah. Pectoral.
Oh, that's her latissimus right there coming around.
Latissimus dorsi.
Coming around the corner.
Can you pull that for me?